Hey guys, welcome to another video from Historic Militaria. Today we are looking at a Bulgarian M51/72 helmet. And this is actually pretty much a direct copy of the Italian M33 helmet, which, as the name implies, was designed in 1933 and was the standard Italian helmet all through World War II and well beyond into the 1990s. Apparently the Bulgarians really liked what they saw, so this is so close of a copy that it is almost hard to tell the difference between the two. And we'll take a look at some of the very small differences that set this apart. So if you are looking to get an Italian or Bulgarian, you sort of know what you're looking for. As you can see, standard steel helmet, painted in very typical Bulgarian olive drab colors that you would expect from the Cold War era. You'll see a lot of M36s that were redone during the Cold War, painted in this same really kind of hideous color scheme. Now, looking at it from the front, you've got your two large vent holes here and here, and those are just standard vent holes, nothing amazing. I have seen some variants that are flat. These are a little bit domed. I don't know that that's really a big difference, just seems to be a manufacturing variant. And then you've got one in the rear. So pretty standard helmet here, nothing amazing to look at or talk about really. But flip it over, you've got your standard Bulgarian leather liner, which is kind of funny because if you look at a Soviet SSH-68 or SSH-60 helmet from this time period, they used a liner that was just pretty primitive, and this is actually nice leather. You got your leather chin strap, which needs to be probably, it's getting kind of dry, so it needs a little bit of conditioning, but it's definitely sturdy leather. This one has got a nice size stamp in it. That's actually 57 when that folds out. And then you've got a date down here of 1987 for the manufacture of the liner. I'm going to probably go out on a limb and say that's when this helmet was made too, because obviously it's a fairly new helmet. I don't think it ever got issued. Definitely never went into the field, only has a few minor handling marks. And these are still available on the surplus market at relatively inexpensive prices. And if it's something you're looking to collect, certainly Cold War era helmets, anything from the Eastern Bloc, you know, they're not making more of them, and they are so cheap right now that anyone getting into this collecting really can afford any of these. So it might be something you want to consider before they kind of dry up and everyone goes, oh, what happened to those? I wish I'd gotten one. They are an interesting piece of history. The Bulgarians, you know, did use them for a number of years. They were replaced in the 1990s by Kevlar helmets. And that's why you're seeing so many on the surplus market today for such reasonable prices. They're just kind of being blown out, and American retailers have them for now, and they're selling them pretty quickly. So it's just an interesting thing to collect. You know, not for everyone, but it is a high quality steel helmet, and definitely something to consider for your collection. And we will be taking a look at an Italian M33 in a future video. And if you like what you see here, hit the like and subscribe button. And if there's something you would like to see us do a video on, and if we can get our hands on one, we'll be happy to do it. Thanks for watching.